Good morning, Internet! Good morning, kabayan! Para ito sa mga first-time home buyers. Maraming nagtatanong, Kuya, ano ba ang tamang steps in buying our first home? Here are 5 simple steps. And yes, importante ang tamang order dito. Step 1. Get a mortgage pre-approval from a licensed mortgage broker. Dito mo malalaman ang real numbers, your allowable maximum purchase, and how much you can afford, and what is your comfortable monthly payment. Step 2. Set a realistic budget. Hindi lang presyo ng bahay ang tinitingnan, kundi align ba ito sa lifestyle niyo long term. Step 3. List your must-haves and deal breakers. Location, type of home, number of rooms. This will save you from stress and time later. Step 4. Work with an eligible real estate agent who understands the market and can negotiate the best deal for you. Step 5. Once may accepted offer ka na, your mortgage broker and real estate agent will guide you all the way to closing hanggang makuha ninyo ang susi ng bahay ninyo. Quick reminder, libre ang services ng mortgage broker at real estate agent. If you're ready to start, message me today. See you soon. Maraming salamat.